Hi everyone, I want to share with you how far we've come along on the Journal of Love. The Journal of Love is a journal I'm making to send to the Disabled Artists Foundation for their October auction, which they're doing Christmas in October on their channel. And I've asked everyone to please send in one sheet of paper decorated front and back and in the centers, so that I can put together a patchwork quilt journal with different people's artwork in it. I've gotten 2 so far, so I'm going to show those, and then I'm going to show what I will add to it if enough doesn't come in. So this is stunning. I mean, it's just wow. And I believe these are decoupage with napkins, I'm not sure. But wow. And here's the back. And this was made by Trucker Janie. YouTube, Trucker Janie Renteria. And it is stunning. Janie, this is absolutely beautiful work. I love it. It is stunning. So the second piece that came in is from Susan Cordes. And she made this little trifold booklet. And look at these adorable gingerbread men and girls and a baby. And she just stuck them all in behind different things. And there's a lot of ephemera in here. And she sent some extra pieces of paper. I just stuck back here with this little gingerbread lady or girl. It's just stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Susan. I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous. All of this, except for this stick pin, was sent by Gail Fleming, who is 504 on YouTube. And I've got on here a stick pin from Gail F504. But the rest of all of this I purchased from Laura Free, the one-legged witchy woman. And if needed, I can add this in there. What I was hoping was to get enough of everybody's artwork. And this is a Christmas greetings book. All of this is just in the center of it. If enough comes in, I can make 2 journals. I can make a Christmas one then, and I can still make the patchwork quilt Journal of Love. But we need to have it mailed to them by September, so if you're going to send something, I'd appreciate it if you go ahead and get it in the mail to me, so that they have time to get everything together. But this was a Christmas journal kit that I bought from One-Legged Witchy Woman. So I was hoping to make just a Christmas journal to send to them. But if I have to, I can add those others in with this if enough doesn't come in. So this is what we have on it so far. I'm hoping to make 2 separate journals. One is a Christmas journal, and one will be a patchwork quilt journal, which back in the olden days, journals were given, not journals, quilts were given as a gift of love. And that's what I'm hoping to do, is make a quilted journal that has different people's artwork in it, and whoever the buyer is will have 1 piece of each person's art. And it's stunning. I mean, the work that's come in so far is just absolutely stunning. If you do like painting papers, do something that, you know, a mixed media, you can send that in. Just put your name on the back right corner. Well, saying back right, and now after looking at this, maybe in the center of the back, which is where I signed Susan's, because Susan didn't sign hers, so that we can, whoever gets the journal will know, each person who sent it in, and will know whose work they have. So, get on the ball, guys. Get me some entries in here. We need it by September, mid-September at the latest. Well, no, we need it by the 1st of September. to give me time to assemble it all and send it all in. And I'll do a walkthrough of it before I mail it to them so that y'all get a chance to see what will be coming up for sale and whose artwork is in it. So thank you very much, and I'll see you soon, and get those submissions in. Bye.